In today's lecture, we will discuss about the mole calculation. The mole method is commonly practiced, consists of the following steps. Number 1. Write correct formulae for all reactants and products, and balance the resulting equation. Number 2. Convert the quantities of some or all given or known substance into mole. Number 3. Use the coefficients in the balanced equation to calculate the number of moles of unknown quantity in the problem. Number 4. Using the calculated numbers of moles and molar masses, convert the unknown quantities to whatever units are required. Number 5. Check that your solution is reasonable in physical terms. Let us see all these steps in an example. Example: how many grams of hydrogen can be formed by the complete reaction of 80.57 grams of lithium with water? According to the steps of calculations, let us start from step number 1, which is, write correct formulae for all reactants and products, and balance the resulting equation. According to step 2, we will convert mass of lithium into moles, using this formula. Now, putting the values in given formula, number of moles of lithium will be equal to the mass of lithium in grams, which is 80.57 grams, divided by the molar mass of lithium, which is 6.94 grams per mole of lithium, and as a result, it gave us the number of moles for lithium, which is equal to 11.61 moles. According to balanced chemical equation, 2 moles of lithium produce 1 mole of hydrogen. Therefore, 11.61 moles of lithium will produce 5.805 moles of hydrogen. According to step 4, now we will convert the number of moles of hydrogen into mass of hydrogen, using this formula. Putting the values, we get 11.70 grams of hydrogen. The amount 11.70 grams of hydrogen is a reasonable quantity. Dear students, I hope that you understood today's lecture. See you in next lecture. Thank you.